Yo, we back again with another video. Try to get this done pretty quick because it is hot in this car, and I ain't want to turn the air on. And then y'all hear my air and all that, right? So I went, knocking stuff out. All right, here we go. I went to Best Buy, right? And I picked up 3 things. All right, and the first one I'm gonna show y'all because I want to talk. This one I really want to talk about. Is this right here? Right, this is a Anker Nano II 45-watt charger. Now, what my phone I have, which is a Samsung S24 Ultra, it supports up to 45-watt fast charger, and this right here should be. But what I found out when doing research about chargers, and most people, you just pick up a charger, it's a fast charger, whatever, you pick it up and you make it to work. But what I found out was, which was take us in the second thing, I'm unboxing second, is I wanted to buy an Anker but couldn't find it, so I found this Insignia. Hopefully it's a good brand. This is like the Best Buy brand. But the thing I wanted is that on the back of this, right, which was I thought was one of the most important things. It said supports up to 60 watt with power delivery, provide fast charging when used with the USB-C PD charger. PD charger was not included, which this right here is. So I should get up to 45 watt charging with that charging cable and with this. But let me just unbox y'all. That's smart. Let me just unbox this real quick. And so I actually like the packaging, like that. That's what happened when you first came up and whatnot. And so it was on sale for $27.99. So I wanted to get a dual one, but let me check this out. When I looked up the dual chargers, right, and so I looked them up to see, because one of the things that I said, well, I had a dual one. It was a cheaper one though, but it wasn't getting the most wide. But I realized that if you have a dual or one with 2 chargers or 3, it separates the charging. You have to look up which ones. They had like a dual one, not that Best Buy, but or Amazon, and it was like a 60 watt charger, but you get 45 watts. If you have like dual chargers set up, you'll get 45 at the top. You get 20 at the bottom, and then it's like a 12 for the other one. So keep that in mind when you're looking for chargers. Like look at the back of it and see if it's if you go to dual one, if one separates, like one will give you a certain amount of charge. Like they got 40 watt. If you got two of them charged up at the same time, they're gonna split the charges. They're gonna split the watts in between the 2 devices. And so, but if you only got one device, of course you'll get the maximum charger output that it's supposed to get. So that's just something to keep in mind. Okay, this thing's not necessarily coming out, but that's one thing to just keep in mind. So so I see that I can get it out, but I like to keep the boxes just in case something happened. And see if I should have something sharp here in my car. I got a key, so a key may work. And okay, I see. My bad. Don't need a key. Got a little flap here, and you just pull that off. All right, yeah, a little flap right there. You pull that off, and voila, there it is. And so I'm gonna show y'all what I liked about it when I looked it up. To show y'all, it does have a little booklet, pamphlet, and whatever, and whatnot. So, and also inside the box, it says 34% smaller with a foldable plug. It's powered by Nano II tech, with increasing the worker frequency by 20%, allowing Nano II to generate less heat and shrink down more than ever. So one of the things that I realized with certain chargers with my device, they'll get hot, which I didn't like. So this one here, this one go here. Now you can see the difference. Try to see if I can pull my other one out real quick. If I have it in here, I don't know if I got it. Oh well, but anyway, it's a lot smaller than the Apple one, and the good thing is you don't have to worry about, like, you can boom, and it folds in, and it pops out, and so that's the Anker Nano II charger. So that's it for that. Just wanted to share that with y'all and whatnot. And since I'm in the car, there is no need to keep it out until I am ready to charge it. Number two is, I showed y'all that earlier. It's just a braided cable, but since we're doing a full unboxing, and it's supposed to support the 60 watt, and I'm curious to see, and I'm gonna have to check back with y'all when I get to the house. Right now I'm just outside my job on my break, but I picked this up before I got to work. I kept going back and forth, so it's supposed to be two of these. So this one comes in like this, and you take them out, you see you have two USB. I like what you feel and whatnot, so that's pretty cool right there. And so I'm curious to see the wattage and what it does, because I have my S24 Ultra, and then I have my iPad. Now the iPad charger that it came with, they said like 20 watt and whatnot. I mean, which is all right, but you know, this supposed to give you 0 to 50, or 0 to 50%. If I'm not mistaken. If they tell me, well, I looked it up. I had looked it up, but I don't want to misquote this. This supposed to be fast and super fast charging. So like it should give you like 20, 30 minutes. It should give you 50%. So that's pretty cool, and I like that it's not like overly small and whatnot. And now for the last and the biggest thing I got for my car is, these right here was on sale for $10.99 at Best, and everything came from Best Buy. So I got this. Now I've had these before. It's a iottie Dutch or whatever. So either you put it on the windshield, right, or you can put it here. Now I have one of these, so you just basically, like, when you put your phone down and it'll automatically close. So you hit these. You can't see it from here, but I'll show y'all. You just hit it, boom, and you see those two flaps there. You just use that to get your phone, and when you put your phone, the phone hit the back of this, and it'll snap in. So I thought that was pretty. That was pretty cool and whatnot. So it goes right up there to the dashboard. I'm gonna have mine up here where actually my phone is sitting at now. So let's take it out to show y'all what it looks like. Let's see how. Obviously, they he got it locked. So let's get my little tool here. My real tool, fingernail cleaner or fingernail filer, and yak. And yeah. And so, and besides, since I do DoorDash, this what help. I was like, I want one. I ain't gonna say I didn't want. I missed one part. Seriously, I didn't want one. It's just that I didn't feel like spending. But I tried to do it where it was on like the front dash thing. We almost done for the day, but I tried to do it. It was on the by the dash, but I didn't want to cover my screen either. So, and we're gonna slide this out like this. Yeah. So let me show y'all everything that. I'm gonna show y'all everything that comes in the box when I get it out the box. You feel me? All right. So first thing is, it says hello, and it says take 50% off your next order. Rethinking, repackaging. Recycle it is a recyclable, plastic-free, reduced packaging size and print with soy ink. So that's pretty cool. I mean, gotta clear about the environment. The second thing is just a notice to a dear value customer. Due to the past vehicle recalls for dashboards that crack, peel, and become sticky in heat. If you have a Lexus or Toyota vehicles from the list below, we strongly recommend mounting on your windshield, state law permitting. So, yeah, so that tells you that's pretty cool. It tells you that, gives you an option and whatnot. Now I'm in Mississippi. It gets very hot, but I think we should be okay. So they give you this right here, it's supposed to go right on your dashboard, and then this piece could go on the back, which I never use for your cable, but I don't really use it like that. So the only time I use the cable is when it actually charges. Once it's done, it goes down. So yeah, so that's pretty. So do that, and then oh yeah, you do got the directions and everything. The directions and everything. So this right here, you can either mount this on the windshield or mount it on the plate. And then also the piece that well, it ain't coming off. And the piece that we showed y'all earlier, this right here, goes right back here. So yeah, that's the whole thing. So that's my whole unboxing of everything that I purchased for today, and just wanted to kind of show y'all and talk to y'all about it, just in case y'all seen something that y'all may want. And so we're gonna call it today, and we're gonna end this video here. So if you want any of it, we got the iottie from everything from Best Buy. You know what I mean? This is called iottie smartphone, iottie Easy Touch 5. All right, the smartphone car mount. So that's what this one's called. This is the Insignia braided charging cable, but remember, it's the 4 feet 1 2-pack, and read the back because they're different wattage. So this is the 60 watt one, and this right here, the Anker Nano II, Nano II 45 watt charger. And to get the most out of your charger, remember you have to have a PD charger, which is this supports PD, and also the cable that supports that PD to get maximum fast, super fast, and charging, super fast charging. So that's, just keep that in mind when y'all searching for chargers and things like that, of this magnitude. So we're gonna shut it down. I'm gonna call it a day. Appreciate for y'all for joining me on this we have Thursday afternoon. Remember, next week is Thanksgiving. Be safe on the holidays, and I mean, make sure y'all enjoy yourself. Don't eat too much turkey. But I'll be seeing y'all in the next video. Peace.